Welcome to the DentaCAD Smart Sales video training series, DentaCAD Classic to Smart Sales Transition. This video series is aimed at existing DentaCAD users to introduce them to the rewrite of DentaCAD dubbed Smart Sales and assist them in becoming productive using the new application almost immediately. This video will briefly go over the overarching change and why it is occurring, as well as some of the major functionality and terminology changes. As you may have noticed, DentaCAD is looking a bit dated. Additionally, functionality hasn't changed much in the last few years. This is all about the change. We've been working hard the last few months producing a ground-up rebuilt version of DentaCAD using all new technology on a web-based platform that expands the availability of the application to almost any device that runs a modern browser. We are calling the new application Smart Sales. Version 1.0 of Smart Sales will be comprised of a feature set that closely matches the existing version of DentaCAD, but with a much updated interface and the previously mentioned refreshed technology stack. From this start, we will more regularly add to the feature set available to the Smart Sales users to continue to better the application usage experience. Here are a few things about Smart Sales you should know. As mentioned, the application is now referred to as Smart Sales or Smart Sales Tool. In documentation going forward, references to DentaCAD Classic refer to the locally installed version of DentaCAD software that is being retired. The name of the company behind the application remains DentaCAD. Unlike DentaCAD Classic, Smart Sales is not a locally installed application. Smart Sales is a web-based application that can be accessed using most browsers on most hardware. Please see our compatibility white paper or video for details. We have made this change to remove the burden of installing, updating, and maintaining the application from the user or the user's IT staff and allow a wider range of devices to access the application. We anticipate users will have much fewer issues related to the software itself. This should translate into fewer interruptions in your workflow and a higher productivity, and perhaps most important, a higher level of user satisfaction. Some of the main terminology and feature changes are Rep Alert. Formerly used to distribute software and content updates, is no longer needed and is not found in Smart Sales. All software and content updates are handled on the Smart Sales host server. Smart Sync. Formerly used to distribute data, such as customer lists, product and pricing data, is no longer needed and is not found on Smart Sales. All data updates are handled on the Smart Sales host server. Smart Link. Used to submit orders created in DentaCAD Classic to the dealer's ordering system, still exists and works exactly as in DentaCAD Classic, but is now called Order Link. The generated forms like proposals, worksheets, purchase agreements, etc., that are referred to as reports in the DentaCAD Classic software are now more aptly named forms. We have new separate functionality planned that will take on the report moniker. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.